Hi, Elizabeth. On your template file, which I think is this file here, you need to have somewhere where your chart is growing as you enter the data. I'm just making this up, but you just select your data and create the chart, and fix the title and all that and put it wherever you want. And then if there's, on your template file, of course, there won't be any information in here, right? But that's okay. As the information gets entered, the chart will grow. So don't forget to include your chart. The other thing about the chart, though, is on your regular file, and I've been playing around with your homework here, is that this chart doesn't really show anything. It's too much information, first of all. Um, you've got, you're talking about three different things here, and it's a little confusing, and it's I'm sure you see that. So, one idea I have, you can change this up to however you want. But one idea I had was to maybe make a new worksheet and just put in like the total sets for each workout. So this one I set up would be for glutes. And then you can make another one on the same page. And this one could be for chest and shoulders. So it looks like on day 2, you do yeah, chest and shoulders. And then here, this would equal, actually, I'm going to cheat a little bit and see. C4. So I already did here. You can see I equaled it to the cell. And I'm just going to copy that. I'm just going to copy this, control copy, and paste it here. And change this to C4. There we go. Okay, so this is coming from the worksheet 1. I created copies of your worksheets. So for week 1, week 2, week 3. So this is week 1, chest and shoulders, right? And then I can copy this over this way and this way. And then if I want to, I can copy it down here. And now I know this is for the next worksheet. So I still want to stay in C4. And this is for worksheet 2. Whoops. Okay, let's do it the long way. C4, enter. There we go. Copy it across. This one will be easier to copy down. Because I already had the parentheses and the number here. I just that. So hopefully you could see that's just the worksheet number, right? And then you would make another chart, one for chest and shoulders. And then you actually have something to compare. So now you can compare each week and you would change this title to glutes and legs, right? And actually, let's see. This one would be total sets. Then you can make another one. Select, hold the control key down for total reps. Now I changed some of your numbers here, so if you and you might want to have a different worksheet for each type of exercise, especially since you could be looking at have 3 charts for each one. So I'm not sure how you like to compare your workouts, and maybe if you always do the same amount of reps, that's not something that you would want to compare, but choose something that you want to see either growth in your workouts, and that would be a good thing for you to create a chart about. So I hope this isn't more confusing, and maybe give you a couple ideas on what you want to make your charts about.